Hello, 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 it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. Yes, it's just the three of us again. And I am the host for the month of November. And I went searching through Pinterest and I found this photograph of this awesome spread of goodies that I would put out right before that Thanksgiving feast. I also am bringing an additional challenge, and that is 4 different tic-tac-toe boards as another challenge. Again, if you would like to play along, you can use the inspiration photograph. You can use the tic-tac-toe boards to help you put your kit together and scrapbook those memories, or you can just scratch the whole idea and come up with your own, but you can still play along if you choose to come up with your own version of a kit, not using our inspiration piece or the tic-tac-toe, all right? What you need to do is put your kit together, snap a photograph, upload it to the November 2021 album over at our Facebook group site, and I will have the link listed below. And then you snap a photograph of the layouts that you create, and you will get 4 entries for 4 layouts. You can do more, but you only get 4 entries for 4 layouts. And then because we have a 5th month, you will get credit for uploading a picture of your kit. Sorry, this was a real long intro. Now let me show you my kit. All right, I apologize. This is choppy right at this spot because I had to abruptly stop my video because my husband came storming in the house. He had been working in the yard, and so I thought he had hurt himself because that is typical of him, but he didn't. He was just being loud. So anyway, let me show you my page kits within my kit. So here is number 1. And I didn't number these as number 1, so I shouldn't refer to that. But this is just a page kit. There'll be 4 of them. I am using the tic-tac-toe board that the center says yellow. So we have ribbon, pattern paper, die cuts, punched shapes, yellow, pearls, florals, birthday, wood. Or you can go across, so we can go ribbon, yellow, wood, florals, yellow, die cuts. Or you can go straight down, die cut, pearls, wood, pattern paper, yellow, birthday, ribbon, punched shapes, and florals. I chose going straight down, ribbon, punched shapes, and florals. So you can see a little bit of the ribbon here. I have 2 photographs that I want to document, and this was taken last year at winter time, and I have myself a nice huge cup of coffee here. It's actually 2 servings in 1 cup, and I am editing a video. This is my software here, and that's my video that I'm editing right there, if I'm not making you dizzy. And I'll go more into the story later. Now, I have my punches over here on the side because I couldn't put them inside that pouch, and I chose 2. So I chose this like ticket type one right here. And then this is like a banner dolly shape. So those are my punches that I'm going to use for this kit. And here's one ribbon I selected that's kind of a beige color, and then I have a black color. For my floral, I have these Maggie Holmes clear stickers. And so here I have the florals right here. I have succulents right here, but that's what I chose. And then I have some other whatnots in here. So I have a bird, I have a banner, I have a tag. And then these are rub-ons, if I can use any of those. And there's some floral rub-ons right there, and another banner. And like a rub-on doily right there. So I have those. and then a succulent clear right there. And this was just all together in my Maggie Holmes collection. So I just grabbed it, and it's probably because I have a variety right here is because I've used bits and pieces to create other layouts, and when I do that I stick it together, but I have plenty of Maggie Holmes papers, so that's why I kept it with my Maggie Holmes collection instead of separating these out like I normally do into my color boxes. Spit it out, Dolly. Then I have the Maggie Holmes Tile Alphas, and I think I'm going to focus on these tone-on-tone, kind of a forest green color. And I'm playing off the mint in the photograph there, the greens and kind of the whites and the yellows. You'll see that in a minute. Again, this is Maggie Holmes, and this is Garden Party. I could use both sides. I may use a little bit, but there is no pink in our inspiration piece, but that doesn't mean you can't bring pink in. We do have the gold in that inspiration, some green and mint. Then I selected this again from Maggie Holmes, and this is the Garden Party. I could use some cut aparts on this side, which I may use some of these banners right here and use a little bit of this heart pattern paper right there. And then from the Marigold collection, which this is an older collection, again, I'm pulling out that gold tone in the dark greens when you look in that photograph. And here is, again, that golden mustardy color. And this collection was released in 2020, not as old as I thought. So that's my pattern paper. And I have these chipboard pieces. I may try to incorporate this deer. So we'll put all this in this sleeve right here. So when I get ready to create, this is all together. This is everything I would like to use for this particular layout. And as you can see, this time I selected my photographs when I was putting together my kit. I don't always do that, but I do love doing page kits. I have done page kits for a long time. All right, for layout number 2, or page kit, I should say, number 2, for my tic-tac-toe board, I have the one that if you were focusing on fall is like apple embellishments. I don't have any apple embellishments, so I think I'm going across, if I remember correctly when I put this together. So we've got cork, wood stickers, and wood. Or acetate tabs and wood, or wood, washi tape, and notebook paper. But I know I don't have the washi tape in here or notebook paper, so I think my original thought is going across. So let's see if I am correct. I have a photograph. All right, and and this is my little guy right here. And I think, yeah, that's not my husband. That is his younger brother there following him. My husband must be the one taking the photograph. I was not with them on this trip last year. All right, so for foam alphas, I have this collection here from Simple Stories called Simple Vintage Farmhouse Garden. Love it. It's going to go great with my Close to My Heart paper. So my focus on the last kit, the one I first showed you, number 1, was all about the Maggie Holmes paper. This is all about the Close to My Heart paper with some simple stories. And then here are my whatnots that I just slipped inside here. And it's just a little bit. So I guess my thought was I was going to use a lot of these foam stickers here with this layout. But it looks like, I mean, that's not very much here. I'm going to have to probably go digging through my stash for additional items when I start creating this layout. So we have a chipboard pair of rubber boots in red to bring out the red in this Close to My Heart paper. And this collection is called As You Grow, and it is available still. And I am a Close to My Heart consultant. If you'd like to shop with me, I will have my link listed below. We have a tag here. We have a cork piece. It says Family Tradition. Then I have these wood hearts that have been in my stash for a long time. I think when these wood hearts came out many years ago, I must have picked up 3 sets of them. And I think I have 5 hearts left, and I'm going to try to use 3 on this layout. Then I have a red enamel dot to remind me to bring in red. And I may bring in some of my sprays, that I use to splatter, my shimmer sprays from different collections and manufacturers. So I just love the mushroom here. And we got the snails and everything. I love, love, love this. And then I have the tone-on-tone wood grain pattern paper that is gray. I didn't say that. It's a gray tone-on-tone. Some people may say it's a light black, but I would say this is a gray. And they refer to it as a charcoal color. Then I have this plaid paper here, As You Grow. And those are my 3 papers. And my little bit of embellishments, my photograph, and my inspiration piece right there. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to have to bring in some more items. That's a little too skimpy. Even though sometimes I like to go simple, that's really skimpy. Skimpy for my taste. All right. Now for page kit number 3, this is all about the orange here. Now this is going to be a more traditional fall layout, and I'm pulling out the orange in that photograph, and the whites that are in that photographs, and the green. And again, I think here I am going diagonally across again. So I have paper clips, orange, and glitter was my focus. I could make an envelope to add. If I wanted to find an owl or use die cuts, I do have die cuts in this. I can handmade embellishments as well. All right, so we have these fall, inlay with gold. I love these. I picked these up at Hobby Lobbies. Here's my photograph. And this is our road going up to our mountain retreat property from last year. I took this. Beautiful. Just love this. And I did not do any Photoshop at all. I printed this at home off my printer, which isn't even a photo printer, strictly for that. All right, so we have these chipboard from Echo Park here, lots to choose from. And you can see I slipped in some paper clips from my collection here. I remember when these were the bomb to have, lots of paper clips. And I'm down to just a few. So I have a butterfly, different colors of arrows and sizes. And I think there's a squirrel. Yeah, this is a squirrel right there. Don't know what I wanted to use, so I put them all in here. Keep them safe. Then I have these beautiful orange glitter stickers from American Crafts, and it is called Wisecrack. Love this. I think it was mainly for Halloween line a few years ago. I don't remember which one. And I've not touched these, so it is time to use these. I have a scrap 6x6 paper here. Don't know what collection. I have this basil cardstock right here. Love how it just makes this here, the contrast from the Bo Bunny paper. And this is the beautiful brisk. And I love this orange yellow tone on tone with a distress look. I thought this paper from Cocoa Vanilla These Days, this is a new collection from 2021. And I like this gingham pattern right there. And then we have from Cartabella, Welcome Autumn, and just love all the colors here again in this. And we've got the leaves in here and some, not water chestnuts, what do you call it? Just chestnuts, I guess, here. So those are my 3 large pattern papers, and then I added some scraps in there. Even against that yellow, isn't that gorgeous? I think this is going to be a beautiful layout. Don't know what kind of design my layout's going to be, but we have my photograph, my inspiration, and my products there. And for page kit number 4, and I know this video is a little longer, but I know you're enjoying it. All right, so we'll put this here like this. The tic-tac-toe one I'm using is the one where in the middle it says pumpkin. And I think I was going across. Leaves, pattern paper, green with adding pumpkins is my thought. Or I could go pattern paper straight down, pattern paper, pumpkins, orange, and rust. I don't know if I got rust. Maybe. Nope, I don't have rust. So that was my focus with adding the pumpkin in with this layout. I have 3 photographs. I will go over those photographs when I document that memory on one of my mini Kit Monday videos this month. I have wood stickers from Close to My Heart. We've got pumpkins and chestnuts and leaves and hearts in here and succulents. Love that. All right. Now my papers and my other embellishments are from the Becky Storyline collection. And so we have, and maybe a little bit of the Wander in here. The die cuts might be. So we have some die cuts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have this where I could die cut some word phrases, fussy cut those feathers out, or I could use this side and the ruler. Don't know yet what I'm going to do. I have the Storyline Becky stickers here. Have not used much of those. And then I have the Storyline chipboard pieces. And then we have, I think this is from Storyline. See, my papers are from a paper pad, so I don't remember, guys. So you can't quote me on the papers. It's either going to be from the Storyline or the one before that. What was that one? The Wander collection? I don't think this is from the Wander collection. Don't remember. Anyway, so I was thinking about this side, the leaf side. This is the opposite. I could use both. We've got this orange tone on tone, again with some distress look on the side. The opposite is these butterflies. And then I have this gorgeous green, and it also has some distressing. I don't know if you can see it right now. And then it has words on the opposite side here. Now that is kit number 4 that I have shown you. I may not scrapbook these in the order that I have shown you. So if you're like, oh, I like that kit, I'm going to wait till week 4. Well, you might miss out because it doesn't mean that I'm going to scrap this week 4. I may scrap this week 1, 2, or 3. But that is my kit inspired by our inspiration photograph and the tic-tac-toe board. Be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy. I will have their links listed below in the description box, and go check out our Facebook group site. Keep coming back on Monday. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Please keep coming back and give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out the other ladies and the ladies from our Facebook group site. All right, we will see you soon. Bye.